All right, the last thing that we're going to do on our floor model assignment, which is so exciting. We're going to throw a roof on this guy. So first thing we're going to do is go corner to corner with the rectangle tool. Okay, and that should kind of seal off the top. I'm going to right click on this, and we're going to go, actually, double click, right click, make group. Okay. Then I'm going to kind of swing to this side. We're going to take the line tool, zip in on the edge here. We're going to hover until we find that midpoint and group right there. Right there. And we're going to go up. And you're going to go up, let's say 4 feet. You can see I'm typing that down in the length box. Okay. We're going to go from this point down to the corner. Okay. And then we're going to go back like that, and it'll create a plane. We're going to do the same thing here and here and here. Okay. Once we've done that, tap the E tool, and we're going to erase that middle line. I'm going to right click on this, right click reverse faces. Okay. And then I'm going to flip it like this, kind of zoom out a little bit, grab the push pull tool, and we're going to pull this all the way until we reach the other endpoint like that. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to zip in on this edge, and we're going to grab the offset tool, which is, so remember, we're going to select this pane. I have it, you can see the little dots there. I'm going to grab the offset tool, which is, you can tap F. Okay. And we've always done offset inside like this, but we're actually going to go outside. Okay. I'm going to go outside 12 inches. Okay. So, or 1 foot. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, actually that looks kind of crazy. I don't like it. Do I like it? No, I do not. I'm gonna back that down to 6 inches. Now, one of the great things about SketchUp is that you can just type and change it. If you haven't used another tool or anything else, you can just change it. But you can see I just typed on the right. Okay, so do 6 inches instead. Yeah, that looked weird. Okay, now I'm going to use the line tool. Now, remember the line tools, we can go all different ways. We can go up. You see, I can go on the blue axis. I can go out on the red axis. I can go on the green axis here. But there is also one where we can reference a line, and then see how I get that pink in there? Okay. If I go that pink line until where it intersects right there, that means it's parallel to the edge I selected. So I want that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the eraser key, and I'm going to erase this line. Whoops. Okay. That didn't work. So I'm going to, why didn't that work? Maybe I need to do it on the other side first. Okay. Perhaps this was the reason. Okay. So over here, same thing, line tool. So I click here, click one time. I'm going to reference the outside. So I have just hovered over it, and then I'm going to kind of drag down, and I get that pink line like that. Now I think I can erase it, and it will just give, yeah, there we go. Okay. So this is giving me this kind of shape. Okay. I'm going to rotate backwards. Okay. Actually, we're going to pull this out 1 foot forward. So push pull this thing 1 foot. So it's going to be 12 inches like that. Okay. And then we're going to go the opposite direction. Okay. First, we're going to go all the way to the end of the shape right there. And then we're going to go 12 inches past. Right here, out, I'm going to type in 12 inches or 1 foot, and that brings it out past. Okay, so that's our roof. You guys are going to be like, Wait, what? all of the other tutorials were much more difficult. Okay, now on the top, what I'm going to do is grab materials. And I'm going to grab roofing materials over here. Roofing. And I kind of like this like slate color. So I'm just going to drop that on there. And then swing this whole thing around. Whoops. Okay. I'm going to drop that on there. Easy peasy. Okay. I'm going to swing this to the front. And you're done. You're done, you guys. You did it. I saved the easiest for last. Okay. So I need to see your signature on here somewhere. And then just submit a snip. That's it. And you're done. Congratulations, you guys. That was a lot of work. Okay. Yeah, well done.